In the past, I have wasted countless hours trying to figure out how to get a transparent background behind an image. Now, I'm not a graphic designer, nor do I want to pay for one. And when I think about how I need to present my documents to clients to look more professional, there are times that I have to have an image transposed over top of another image, and it has to have a transparent background. So today I'm going to show you a really quick and simple tool. It is the most effective free tool that you can use on the internet right now. The software is called Adobe Express. So simply what I do a quick Google search, Adobe Express free background remover, and this is the website that pops up. So this is what you're looking for. And then what I do is I'll just go and grab a picture. So I'm going to grab any picture out of my files and I'm going to upload it. And just like this, it's going to pull the file in and it's going to render that file with the background removed. There's the image and there's the image with the background. Now all I have to do is download this. Download. It's going to download it. And just like that, I've got the image saved in my download. So what do I do next? Well, I'm going to jump into a service or a product called Canva. This software is what I'm going to be talking about next. I've already set up a thumbnail where I want to add this. You'll actually see this is how I created the thumbnail for this video. And simply I'm going to go to downloads and I'm just going to drag and drop that image right in here. And there it is. So you can see the background has been removed and it was on a blue background before. I'm just going to resize that to how I want it to fit. And just like that, I've got a clean image for using now as a thumbnail for a YouTube video. This could be a client presentation, but real simply, just go to Adobe Express. You have to drop in a JPEG. Sometimes the image doesn't work, so if it's not allowing you to draw the image in, just go back to the image, copy and paste it as a JPEG, or copy and save it as a JPEG, then just drag it in Adobe Express. It will spit out the background for you. High resolution, whatever resolution that you bring in as far as an image, that's the resolution it's going to bring in. The only caveat to this is if there's a really busy background, sometimes I found that you can't remove, or it interprets part of the background as part of the image. So like right now, I've got this credenza behind me. And if I took a picture with that credenza behind me, there's a good chance that bits and pieces of the credenza might be considered to be part of the image I'm trying to remove. So in this free background remover, the easiest way to make sure you get a clean graphic at the end is to start with a clean background behind the image. It makes it very clear for the tool to understand exactly what you want to crop out and remove. So this is exactly how you create a free background, transparent background image for any kind of document you're trying to create. Now, the next video that I'm going to talk about is going to be Canva, which is another free tool that you can use to create your thumbnails if you're doing any kind of YouTube videos, if you're creating documents for clients, if you're creating any kind of social media posts. I'll dive into that next. Hopefully that was helpful. If you haven't already done so, consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment below if this was helpful. This tool has saved me hundreds of hours of time trying to figure out how to get a free background removal inside of other tools that don't allow you to do that, not at least in the free program. So hopefully that was helpful. What do you think, Ralph? Was that a good one? Oh, was it super boring? I don't know. I think it was a good video. What do you think? You don't look impressed.